You do not need to be an engineer or a content creator to profit from engineering tutorials anymore. Thanks to AI tools, anyone can now create high-quality educational content and turn it into passive income. This is one of the laziest yet smartest ways to make money online, especially if you want to work from home with almost zero overhead. Start by picking an engineering topic that is in demand. It could be basic electrical circuits, structural analysis, coding for embedded systems, or even CAD software tutorials. Look for subjects that students, professionals, and hobbyists search for regularly. Use free tools to check popular searches and trending questions related to engineering. Now use AI to generate your content. Platforms like AI video editors, voiceover tools, and tutorial generators can help you create lessons that sound and look professional without needing to film yourself or spend hours writing scripts. You can input basic concepts and let the AI break them down step by step with clear explanations and visuals. Next, upload your content to platforms where people actively search for learning materials. YouTube is perfect because it rewards educational content with consistent views and ad revenue. You can also list your tutorials on Skillshare, Udemy, or Gumroad as downloadable products. These platforms handle payments and delivery, so you do not need to worry about customer service or technical issues. To maximize reach, use AI again to create thumbnails, video titles, descriptions, and even hashtags that are optimized for discovery. The more searchable your content, the more views you get, and the more passive income you earn over time. Monetization comes in several ways. You can earn ad revenue on YouTube, sell access to full courses, accept donations through Patreon, or promote affiliate links for engineering tools and gear. Once your videos or tutorials are live, they keep working for you day after day without any extra effort. You can even scale up without doing more work. Just repeat the process in different topics or bundle your videos into premium collections. AI lets you expand your digital content library fast, so you build authority in your niche while staying hands-off. You do not need a degree in engineering or professional studio gear. All you need is a smart approach and the right tools. This method works especially well in the United States, where online education is booming and students are constantly looking for reliable resources. So if you want the laziest way to make money online, start creating AI-generated engineering tutorials. Pick topics people need, break them down with smart tools, publish on high-traffic platforms, automate your promotion, and collect the clicks. That is how you turn technology into a steady source of income without ever stepping into a classroom.